Hey, how's it going? Aaron Rennick here, Middle Public Schools. We're going to talk about Canvas and the accessibility checker today. Inside of Canvas, when you're working with an item such as a page or module or an assignment where you have the rich text editor. Before we get there, Middle people, don't forget to make sure you are synced up with your account. So in the upper right hand corner of your Google Chrome browser, you should see either a circle with your initial in it or maybe your picture if you've changed that. If you click on that and it says sync is on with your mid-del.net email address, then you're good to go, and you should see this folder on the left hand side that says staff links, and there's a Canvas link amongst other links down there. So that's your quick link into Canvas. I've already got one open, so I'm going to click over today, and we're going to talk about this guy right here. This is your accessibility checker. That dialog that just went away, we're going to talk about how that comes up here in a second. So in this field here, this rich text editor space, you can link, you can add photos, you can embed videos, documents, anything you want. What we want to do is, with that creativity, is make sure that it's reaching our students to the best of their abilities, and we're helping them get past their learning challenges. So what we can do is down here right below the box is you've got this accessibility guide, and you're going to click that. And you notice this dialog jumps up. It says accessibility checker. So you know you're in the right one. And what this is going to do is evaluate each piece of your text that you've got going on in this box here, and it's going to tell you what's wrong with it. So the first item, and it says issue 1 of 2. So it's let me know that I've got 2 issues on my page, and it's going to tell me what it is. It's recommending that a text smaller than 18 point when it's regular, or if it's bold, less than 14 point, that you have a better contrast ratio. So my colors, and you can see it's got this blue box with a black outline or a dark gray outline. That's letting me know that that's a particular piece it's talking about. If I hit next on this dialog box over here with the accessibility checker, it's going to go to my next issue, which is the yellow font that my name is in. It's the same concept. It's saying either make it bigger or change your font color because it's not going to be easy for students to read who may have certain challenges. There's no problem with my photo, so if I hit next or previous, it's never going to highlight that, but it's going to let you know. It's not going to force you to make changes, but it's going to let you know that you've got potential hiccups and hurdles for any of your students, and that's going to potentially create some learning issues. So that's it. That's the accessibility checker. Once you make your changes, you can just close out. You can close out before you make changes, and you can adjust it and then check it again. So maybe if we do that. So I've still got an issue. It's still making a recommendation on that particular font with the red and blue background. That's what we got for you today. We'll talk to you next time. Thanks.